Inhlangano ebusayo i-ANC ikhungathwe yizinkinga zezimali. Umgcinimafa we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uyahluleka ukukhokhela izisebenzi ze-ANC ngesikhathi ekupheleni kwenyanga. Konke lokhu kwenzeka abaholi be-ANC bephila impilo ebukhazikhazi baphinde behambe ngezimoto zikanokusho.
But when there's silence, when there's no indication as to whether I'll be paid or I will not be paid, it becomes a problem. It creates the anxiety that you see in the faces of these members of staff. It creates the frustration that you see on the faces of members of staff. Now, that is why we are saying leadership of the ANC. We have great confidence in you. But we are saying the pace that you are applying in resolving our issues is not satisfying us.
Izisebenzi ze-ANC ziteleke ngaphandle kwaseLuthuli House namhlanje nawo wonke amahhovisi ezifunda zayo lenhlangano ebusayo. Abasebenzi bathi imiholo yabo ayikaze ize inyuswe kuleminyaka emibili edlule.
We demand our outstanding salaries to be paid not later than 7 days from today. We further demand that all outstanding bonuses be paid by no later than 30th of July 2021. All contributions owed to the Provident Fund and UIF must also be paid by no later than 30th July 2021.
Iphini likanobhala jikelele uJesu Duarte uthi abaholi abaphezulu be-ANC bazohlangana nazo zonke izisebenzi zalenhlangano kulamasonto amabili azayo.
Of course, the big issues would be your Provident Fund. That is priority number 1 on our list. As well as next to it, paying you a monthly salary. We will continue to talk to the liaison committee on a daily basis if necessary, but we request that you also work with us on all of these matters.
Abantu abasebenzela i-ANC baphinde baphakamisa isikhalazo sokuthi kulethe osopolitiki ukuthi bazosebenza i-ANC kanti bahola imali enkulu lokho okwenza ukuthi i-ANC ingakwazi ukubakhokhela izimali zabo ngaphambi kokuthi kuphele inyanga. Ngingusamkela Maseko, izindaba ze-SABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.